Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and choose biometrics and passwords. Now you need to click on face recognition and enter your current login method. When you're ready, just get started and remember to keep your face in frame. Following that, you need to adjust all of those options however you wish to, and when you're ready, choose home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. Icons that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!